Read reviews that most people are talking about. GVM RGB LED video light with Bluetooth control, 60-watt photography studio lighting kit with stands. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Bright studio light. This video lighting 60-watt high power, brightness is 8500 lumens/0.5 meter, 3000 lumens/1 meter, composed of 752 LED lamp beads. Ultra-high CRI 97 Plus helps restore and enrich color light objects, providing you with natural and video shooting effect. Upgrade camera light simulate 18 scene. This photography light including TV, candles, police cars, lightning, paparazzi, disco, party, broken light bulbs, explosion, pulsing, fire, welding, fireworks, CCT loop, hue loop, fire truck, ambulance, SOS, camera lighting for Zoom, WebEx, web conference, lighting for video recording, broadcasting. App Intelligent Control System. This lighting kit connects the Bluetooth of the studio light through the mobile phone, and you can use the app to control the brightness, color temperature, 3200 to 5600 K, hue, pure color. The scenes can be controlled remotely on your mobile phone to make it smoother. RGB support master and slave control mode. The light panels could set one light as the master mode and other GVM lights as slave mode, which you could easily control all lights with the master one. 2 power supply methods. This zoom lighting for computer can be powered by an AC adapter, included, or a 7.4 volts, 4400 mAh lithium-ion battery, not included, for indoor or outdoor use. This is Video Create by Video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.